Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a free Steam gift card. So I'm going to go ahead and add funds to the wallet. I'm going to go down here to where it says redeem a gift code. So now I'm going to show you this incredible site. So this is the site, guys. It's called lootbuy.com. So I'm going to claim my Steam gift card from here. You just need 100 points to unlock it. I got 500. So let me just unlock it for 100 points. So I'm going to press unlock. So now I should get the code. So let's see if it works. All right, we got the code. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to the Steam website. And then I'm just going to put the code in right here. So let's see if it works. All right. I don't know. Wait a minute. It says verifying, guys. No! Look, I got $100. It actually works. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. So let's get into it. So how do you get points on the Loot Buy website? You're probably wondering, well, basically they have these like apps you can download. They're like games, and then you reach like a certain level on the game, and then you get like 80 points. So like Travel Town says reach level 9, you get 70 points. So I just press like go, press continue, and then it takes me to the App Store. I just got to play this till I'm like level 9. So that's pretty easy. That's just one of them, though. If we go back, they've also got, like, Mode Casino. This one says, follow easy instructions to get 60 points. And the instructions are to, let's see, install the app and open it. That's it. That's easy, bro. Then we got World Winner, install, open, and redeem your points. All right, so that one is install the app and open it. So these are really cool because you can literally get, like, free Steam gift card, guys, with this method. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, try it out for yourself. This is the site, guys, lootbuy.com. So I really hope that you guys are able to use it. And they have a lot of other rewards, which is cool. They have like, I think like PlayStation Plus and stuff, Sheen gift card. So yeah, I mean, I don't know everything on here, but I got quite a lot of points because to me, downloading games and stuff doesn't take that long, so I don't mind doing it. And I get like 60 points each time, so it's super cool. But I'm going to see you guys later, so be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about free Steam gift card methods, because I'm sure there'll be other websites out there that I'm going to feature, but this site is pretty cool. So they've also got this like feed thing. I think it shows you like the newest releases, which is cool. So I hope you guys were able to use it. I'm on like a newer iPhone, but it's not the newest one, and it still works. So I think it's going to work for you guys too. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.